Hey guys, how you doing? So just wanted to update you guys on my position. I actually ended up buying a little bit more RKT. I actually ended up buying, what did I buy? I bought 30K more at $29.47. And then right before market close, I bought another for like around 14,000 at $28.40. I'm not gonna be selling anything. I told you guys. I'm probably if we rally tomorrow, I'll probably sell my calls. But as far as the actual position itself, I'm more than likely not gonna sell. So as of right now, I am holding 4,500 shares plus. If we don't rally tomorrow, I'm probably going to be selling some calls for March 5th. Probably a decent amount, maybe like $40 calls, I think. I'll probably be selling these, which would be, I got a bunch of contracts open, so I can't sell and stuff. Let me see, 11 contracts. I'd actually be selling 40. Yeah, so I'd pick up probably around 4K and then maybe $8,000. But we'll see. Yeah, I mean, just wanted to update you guys on the position. I was just kind of doing the math in my head to see how much I would pick up by selling calls that expire this Friday. Yeah, guys, but more than likely, I'm just gonna keep holding. I told you guys this is not something that I want to swing trade. This is not something that I want to day trade. I know a lot of people are like, oh, why didn't you sell up here? Why didn't you sell up here? I don't like to stress about, when to sell, when to not sell. I mean, if I feel comfortable selling up here, I'll sell up here. If I want to sell calls, when the IV is high, I'll sell calls. I'm not, don't take this as greed. Take this as I don't want to put too much effort into a company that I actually believe in. So it's like if somebody bought Apple a couple of years ago and they just kind of held, that's basically what I'm doing here, right? Unless we run up like crazy, then obviously I'd sell like everything or at least most of it. But as of right now, just holding. I bought on the down low. I probably will be doing a TA on RKT a little bit later today just to update you guys, as well as I think someone requested Neo for the TA, and I think I'll probably be doing a TA on SPY just because it's on the down low right now. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys on my position. I bought more. I'll see you guys later.